Subscribe!
Subscribe!
Hi guys! Woo! The boys put the cool toy together. That's called, what calls? Magic?
Tracks.
Yes. And another one, it's actually two different companies. Another one was Mind Scope.
Twister
Tracks, correct? And they comes with like, one comes with 2 cars and another one, 2 different kinds.
These ones can't go over the ramp over there.
Yes.
Those ramp?
Yes, and they actually cool because those tracks is very easy to put together for kids and they glow in the dark. So show how this works, Tom Cho. Wow, cool doors. Oh, not yet, Sipan. Don't turn off lights yet.
Turn off the lights,
Not
Sipan.
yet. First without. That is going to show without. Not yet. Okay.
Look, Daddy.
Oh, that one right there.
Start.
Turn the light off, Sip.
Wow.
Now we'll show you the ramp.
Wow.
Right here.
Okay. Sipan, we're going up the ramp. So, how does it work?
This goes here. Wait.
Wait. Oh, okay.
So this goes here.
Hold on, Tom Cho. Okay, and
Now this. Wait.
where this goes? I know. Oh, okay. And this one. I have
It doesn't work. This is
Okay,
broken.
this one goes here. No, tap.
Yeah.
And this one goes here, correct? Hold on, I do this one. Hold on.
Now let's try out the ramp.
Try it.
See, that's what I'm talking about. This is
Now, let's go check. Try
try
it.
it. There we go. And then again. And then
How you put the car? Then we do that dinosaur. We do the dinosaur.
There. Now let's open our new toy.
Hold on. Only goes on this. Looks like. But I think they faster, yeah.
Yeah.
They look fast.
The green one is fast too. Let's try our new toy.
Okay, got it? Hold on, Tom Cho. And those cool toy comes with these cute bags. So after you're done, you can very easy put those tracks inside. It's kind of cool. You can put tracks inside when you're done, and they organize. Okay.
Let's try this new toy.
Oh, what is this?
We gotta go from the end over here.
Okay, let's go open this end. We need probably scissors.
No, I can just watch this.
Pokaż Tom Cho.
Yeah, it did work, but
I broke it.
that's okay. I don't need that.
It's okay, you don't need this pencil.
But I can still shut.
Wow, hold on. Whoa, can you even hold it?
Yeah, I can.
We have to put strap on it.
Where's that strap?
Let's go check.
Where are the Nerf Gun bullets?
For folding. You get sometimes when you see the picture. Oh, okay. You got that.
So I can shoot.
And what is this? For what those pieces? Oh, you put on top this.
Yeah, but we got first. Here's one. I'll do
Okay.
the other.
You put this somewhere here. Oh. Maybe on this side. Which side?
This.
Right
Yeah,
here.
but I'm Mega Masters.
Oh, like that?
Wait, I need to get the
Might be the
other.
other way around though.
I don't know. not there.
Oops.
1.
Think somebody might need daddy.
Whatever.
You got this, Tomcho, or what?
Aha, they connected.
I told you that.
Pokaż, Tomcio. A this connects to... Pokaż to. Daj. You do it.
I want to try this baby out. Yeah.
Wow. Poczekaj, Tomcio.
You got the batteries?
Oh, the batteries. What kind of batteries? Read in the box, Tomcio. 4 on the side there.
A+ batteries.
Okay, what kind?
X6.
What kind of batteries are not included? 6 batteries, Tomcio. D. 6 battery D. Mega.
This is C.
Nerf.
D.
D. Okay, do we have D batteries? Okay.
6.
Yes, we need 6 though. Wow, they're big batteries because it's so much power. So we need 1,
2, 3,
3.
4, 5. 3,
Yeah, we need
4,
6.
5, 6. There.
Okay, so you can put it back there, honey. Whoa, big, a lot big batteries, yeah? You do it, Daddy. Okay.
There we go.
No mega powered. We just need the batteries in.
Go.
Kind of batteries would they go? Do we need screwdriver?
We do need a screwdriver, not a screwdriver.
Oh, screwdriver. Whatever you call it. Mash. This is tiny bigger, huh?
Where is it? I don't know where they go. Where were they? Right here, here they are.
We wondered, is it right there?
Oh,
Is
it
a-
works.
I was right in front of you the whole time.
This?
Huh?
This yet? Oh, this goes here.
Yeah. Gotta wait.
Put it right there.
I'll put it there.
Don't break it. Gently. See, no. See the holes, Tomcho?
Yeah, I see them. No. Oh, this is the wrong side. What's that? There. There's one side. Ooh, yeah, I can do the other side. Daddy, move.
Here we go.
Whoa.
Wow.
Look at how big the batteries are. No, watch plus and minus. Plus and minus. Would they go correctly? See, look, plus and minus. See, batteries say plus on this side and minus.
Minus.
Okay.
Minus.
Minus and plus. I mean, minus is in Polish. Minus. We say, here you say minus, correct? Minus and plus.
No. What's that again?
Plus and minus.
Yeah.
Plus in Poland, plus and minus. So, very similar.
It does say it's so.
Hey, we need 2 pieces. No, 3 pieces. This one.
And I'm gonna try this baby out.
All right.
Are you excited?
No.
for
Wait,
us?
wait.
And this somewhere. You can look at the picture.
We'll just open.
I found it right down here.
Right here, like this.
No.
Yeah, it shows in the picture right here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, somewhere here. Ah.
Now,
Text
how
it.
we shoot this?
Hold on, you're shooting this way. Maybe in the bear?
Turn this thing on. How you turn it on?
How you turn it on?
I don't know.
Where's the button? Let's see.
Maybe this.
Right here.
Okay, is that it? No. Is
Here
it?
on top, see. This.
Ugh.
No, it's probably right here something.
Watch out. I'm gonna see this is the batteries.
Oh, it's gonna make a sound, buddy.
How does this? Oh, I found the batteries. Ooh.
That's a safety.
See, here, Tommy, it's on the bottom.
This is a safety, it looks like. Safety for the bullets. And then over here, this should be
Oh, is that the button? Ah, right here?
This, you push this. It's working.
oh, it
Whoa.
works. Yeah, it works.
Whoa.
Okay.
Put that bullet back in. Put that
How you,
Tommy gun.
what is this?
The Tommy gun. That's to hold it.
Okay.
Oh, why didn't it work?
Hold the trigger. Not me.
The bear. Talk to the bear. Go ahead, Tonto. You're missing the bear.
I'm hitting his face.
This is
I'm down. That's not bullets.
help Citran, Tonto. You can help him, no? You can, after Tonto, you can shoot. Watch how you hold this. For what is the handle there? To holding? Whoa. A lot of bullets there. Mm-hmm.
I don't know if this holds. Does that hold?
How many?
Need
When
one
you
more
think?
bullet. I can see.
Go check behind the bear. You're shooting here, so. Oh yeah, it's one here.
They throw over.
Ready? I'm gonna shoot the bear.
Where's this big?
Uh-oh.
Bear.
Release.
Whoa! Ow!
Don't you, Mom.
Ow!
Don't you, Mom.
Shoot the bear.
Oh, that shoots really fast. It's a Tommy gun. Oh, be careful.
Careful. Okay, tell us, load it for Citran. Citran, you're going to shoot now, okay? We see the guy.
Up there's the bread. Right here.
Show 'em how.
No, my spot.
Come on, be nice. Guys, we gotta load them up together. Together. Together, Steph. He's helping you. Mom's gonna help.
One more time, Citran, and then you, okay?
Oh, we
We're
still
missing. Where's
We're
more?
missing
Oh,
one.
right there.
Where?
I see under the chair one.
I want to still try it, please.
After Citran. Oh, like. We're still missing couple, but it's fine. Okay, put it in.
No, I want to try it, please.
Citran, put it. No, Citran.
No.
Okay. Whoa! Hold on, Citran.
Hold this, and then
Wait,
right
hold
here
this.
is
Look.
for shooting.
Hold on.
Help him out.
Hold this.
And this is for shooting. Just hold it.
No, just hold
Citran,
this. And then
Citran, just hold this. Put it right here.
put it right here. Oh my god. Hold on, I have to
And
adjust.
put this hand right here.
You got it, buddy. He's gonna adjust the strap for you.
Hold it.
Oh my. Stop. Jammed.
Jam. Where's the jam?
These bolts, gotta make sure they're all in there.
Here's the jam. Let's go check. Doesn't look like jam.
Got it. Unjammed.
Okay, ready?
Get your fingers out of the way.
Ready?
And woo!
Steph!
That's my turn.
Steph, did you like it?
Wow!
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Woo! Let's pick up the bullets.
Go pick up the bullets. Okay.
And go.
What is
Hold both.
both you have to hold?
Yeah, and then
Safety.
What? Why?
just do both.
Why both? What is the difference?
It just goes faster.
Oh.
And go.
Ready?
Jam.
Oh, jam.
Jam.
Safety on.
There.
Watch out, Jojo.
not that bad. I think that hurts, but not that bad actually.
Yeah.
Wow, it's actually heavy. I mean,
Can you help me, please? And now it's my turn.
okay, your turn.
You said you were gonna help me.
That's
Okay.
okay. Whoa.
No, that's your mama.
It does hurt. Did you feel it?
Okay, you can shoot. No. Okay, no shoot the bear. You don't shoot people. You don't point at people.
I'm
Okay?
shooting in the face.
And no face. Shoot baby. Okay, jump.
Gotta make sure they're all in all the way, guys.
Open the jump. With the jam. Jump. What do they call this?
Damn.
Jam. The jam. would you-
Jammed.
The jam would you use? Woo! Whoa, cool. Loves dinosaurs, and this one is Ultra T-Rex, and it's 2.5 feet tall.
Ah!
Wow. Look at this. Oh, let's go open.
Yep.
Oh, I think we might maybe need scissors for this one.
Oh!
Kind of short, does it? Oh, those legs.
That's why.
Okay, oh, like this.
Which guy you want, Sipper?
Oh, so this leg is on this side.
No, it's for this. And here's one more guy. Whoa, the steering.
Here
Any
goes.
instructions for you?
Yeah.
Who you want to be?
I don't know. This one here, but it doesn't lag. And this one goes here, I think. Oops. Yeah. Okay. And then another leg. Where's the other leg?
I'm gonna
Here.
get bowl it.
So the bottom goes here.
Oh.
Here. It's very easy actually put together. You don't actually need only here.
Whoa, what's this go?
Yeah. Okay.
Ah.
What do you think with this goes, Tipran? What is this you think? What do you think? Poncho.
Tail.
Tail. The tail goes here.
Fire!
Hold on. This way?
What's this right. Where's the button so I can shoot?
Okay.
Hey,
How
look at that.
can you go up? They can stretch? Because they say it's 2 feet long. How go up?
It has to stand up with his body.
I don't know. So,
Fun.
no.
No.
How stand up?
It's motorized, so you need to put batteries in it.
No, you don't. Do you?
It's motorized.
But doesn't say nothing about battery. Are you sure?
Yeah, it is batteries. How you
Oh,
shoot
here is
it?
bottom. No. Sometimes inside.
Oh, I am trying. Just to put it in my bowl. Whoa!
Oh.
Oh, I made it stand up. It's hot.
Oh, you did. How did you do it? Do it again. Don't do this too. You have to put those guys here and they move it stand up.
Hey, how you shoot this thing?
Incorrect.
Who I'm gonna be him. How do you shoot this? Whoa. This is a trick. This is where you steer it.
Come on, guys.
Hey, what's this for?
Pass again. Down.
Here. I'm scared.
Turn it.
I'm scared.
Oh, shoot it. Shoot it.
Whoop. Bah! Whoop.
Is it in? I think this one is not push in.
That is. I just don't know how to turn it. Which way you turn it? I shoot it.
Oh, this way. The balls here. 2 balls. One, and you can do another one.
Oh, what's this? Mama!
Oh, zip it and figure out. You don't need instructions.
Yeah.
Now the clock shoots two controls. This is actually a cool toy.
Wait. Camera! Look!
Power on and power
Camera!
off. Like
And camera!
Let's find the spot for batteries. Maybe on the bottom. Oh, right here, guys.
There we
Turn
go.
on the lights.
What lights? What lights?
When you move those guys, they make noise. See, look. You have to run. Wow, this is cool. Okay, move it.
I'm the king!
Is it looks like 2 feet, Tommy?
Stand up next to it, guys. Let's see how tall it is.
It's almost taller than Ziprin. Fire! Fire! It's like
Subscribe.